Hello everyone. Today we show the another one HMI repairing solution which we provide for Skillful Technology. So currently we show the Rexroth make Indra controller VCV250 HMI, which 5.7 inch HMI. There is having two types of problem. One for the LCD panel and another one the touch screen. So we resolve both issue on this HMI. So I will show the one demonstration after replace panel and touch screen. So this HMI we already repaired, so I will show the demonstration for the working. So they require a 24 volt input power DC. Now we power on. There is a fully bootable screen. After replace the panel. So now we replace front touch screen. So after replace touch screen, we need to calibrate touch screen. So we calibrate this type process, this type. Now this touch screen calibration process is completed. We show fully screen as per Rexroth control VCV250 manual. Now front keypad available. Now touch screen is working fine. So it's working properly. So to repair this type of 5.7 inch, 4.7 inch as well as 10.1 inch and 14 inch HMI as well as LCD display for Rexroth make, we can provide all repair, replacement and motherboard chip level solution. So we provide to everyone. Thank you very much.